After upgrade to Django 1.11 append_/ no longer works. In Django 1.9 and Python 3.4, the default of append_/ worked correctly, i.e. I could enter localhost 8000 idea tree videos, and the trailing slash would be added. After an upgrade to Django 1.11 and Python 3.6, append_/ is no longer working. I've looked for deprecation notices but so far found nothing that seems to apply. Side question: how do you turn allowed deprecation warnings back on, as they were in previous versions? Here is my main urls.py. And the urls.py from the included app_space. Both these url.py files are unchanged except that in Django 1.9 I had in the main urls.py, but patterns is now deprecated and throws a warning. As before, I do not have append_/ set in settings.py, relying on its default value of true, though I tried explicitly setting it to true with the same result. Here's my middleware. Here's the error. I also tried clearing the browser cache, and using a different browser in case the cache still didn't get cleared. Logging to file at level debug or level info shows nothing, an empty file. Warning: my logging setup is untested. There's got to be something I'm overlooking.
Django introduced new middleware in Django 1.10. You should use the middleware setting if you are using new style middleware, and middleware_classes if you are using old style middleware. If you are using Django 1.10 or 1.11, then the old middleware_classes setting is still supported, so Django should continue to redirect with the appended slash. However, once you upgrade to Django 2.0, the middleware_classes setting is ignored and you must switch over to middleware. When you switch over to middleware, you should remove session authentication middleware since it has no effect in 1.10 and 1.11, and is removed completely in Django 2.0.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.